Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a build showcase in Build a Boat for Treasure. And I got 7 builds. And these are the builds I'll show you guys. So, fighter jet, RC submarine, RC car, RC helicopter, RC drone, UFO, and hoverbike. And first I'll start with a fighter jet. This is how it looks. So just jump onto that and then just anchor it off or just click on launch. And then if you did one of those, click F. So I'll just click on launch and then click F. And then you can sail around. Okay, what is that line, I mean. That is very weird. So yeah, that's the fighter jet. I'll just reset for a bit. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, I've been busy in between episodes because I got all of those builds. And I got the plushies. Like, I got all of them. And I also got neon blocks. So yeah, that. And now I'm gonna show the submarine. And also I'll be rating them. So the fighter jet, I give it 10 out of 10. Submarine, I will give a 8. Like, you can just do this so to make it really a submarine, and you can just like sail, and you can go like this and just spy on people, and that's pretty nice. I think it looks clean. Whoops, and it also requires some piston stuff. A bit like Minecraft with redstone. Yeah, like that. It's a bit like that, but yeah. Now I'm gonna show the RC car, and this is my first, not my first, but my second cool build I ever made. And my first build was a UFO, but that doesn't work anymore, so that's why I made a new one. So yeah, this is the RC car. You can drive around. Yeah, so that's the RC car. And what? Okay, I thought it was having a mind of its own. But yeah, now the helicopter. Yeah, it's again, it's Minecraft with redstone. But then in Build a Boat for Treasure. Okay, so yeah, this is the helicopter, and just click this to make the propellers go vroom, and just you can go upwards, downwards. You can just like fly. Well, that's the point of a helicopter, but yeah. So that's the RC helicopter. Like, when sorry if it's very short time amount to look at it. I'm just on a hurry. And yeah, this is a drone. Then I'll sit in it and make the propellers go vroom again. And then I can like go around, and this will make it go up. Look, now it's going upwards, and click it again and it will go downwards. So yeah, that's the drone, or at least how the drone works. Now the UFO. Yeah, and also I'll say the picking up is not really working. You can only pick people up from your own team. So that's pretty annoying, but yeah. Look, I'll just go on Team Purple. Okay, what are they doing? Okay, but yeah, I'll just say it doesn't work. Picking up. So yeah, that's the UFO. And now I'll show the last one, and that's the hover bike. And also I'll delete this thingy. And then, what does that sound? And then just click on sail. And then just click F. And you can just like hover around. That's kind of the point of a hover bike, but yeah. And also, I'll just say that how's it called? Oh yeah, yeah. So what I wanted to tell is I just wanted to tell a story about this hover bike. Like, I had trouble with it when it was done. When it was done. Like when I build it, then you had to build underneath the grass like this. And I'll just go a bit to the water, and then you'll see. Look, and then what I built always kept bouncing against this chunk of thingy. Okay, that. And now I build it lower, so it goes beneath it, so I can really go around with it. Yeah, it's very complicated. But yeah, so I'm gonna go like beneath and show you what's happening. So yeah, it kept bouncing against this, and that was very annoying, but now I can just go under it, and that's pretty nice. So yeah, that's how it works. And now we'll go to the rating. I'll rate all of my builds, and then I'll like give it a number from all of them. So, fighter jet, 10 out of 10. Submarine, 8. RC car, 7.5. RC helicopter, I'll give an 8. RC drone, 7. UFO, 8. Hoverbike, at least between the 9 and the 10. So 9, 9.5, or 10. I'll give it 9.5. Yeah. So now I'll give it a number from all of my builds together, what I feel like being good. So 1 is worst, 10 is best. So all of those builds together, I'll give it a 8.7. That's how I rate it. And leave your comments down below. And yeah, that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, just like always, woof out of here. Okay, that's so cringe.